morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Varma, and today I am going to discuss basic geometrical ideas, division 2. Clear, student? Yesterday we discussed some topics जैसे कि एंगल between minute and hour in every hour is 30 degree, and this you have to count the steps. Then you will find out time. Clear? Full revolution, half revolution. Clear? And also we discuss about this type of direction: east, west, north, south. Clear, everyone? So today we will discuss these type of things. So now today we will solve some other question based on this. देखो, question number 3B I am going to solve. So yesterday I explained if I want to know कि north to north या south to south, east to east, west to west, how many right angles are there? So you know that if we have to go जैसे west to west I want to know. Okay, so west is there, so west to west when you will go, student, you will cover one full revolution. यानी how many right angle? 4 right angle. 4 right angle. Why 4 right angle? Because you know that जैसे west to north 90 degree, north to east 90, मतलब all are 90 degree. तो west to west when you will move, you will cover 4 90 degree. यानी 4 times 90 degree. यानी it means 4 multiplied by 90 degree. यानी one full revolution is what? 360 degree. Similarly, if I want to know south to south, south to south. So see, south to south clockwise or anti-clockwise, you have to cover same distance. So south to south, again you will cover what? One full revolution. So you know that one full revolution means what? 360 degree. And in 360 degree, how many right angles to get? You will say, sir, 4 right angles. Clear? Now question number 4 and 4. It is given, what part of revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? अब देखो, you have to find out part. It is given east and turn clockwise to face north. East and turn clockwise to face north. Clear, everyone? Okay. What is this question? You have to find out fraction. Fraction in previous question we discussed east and turn clockwise to face north. This is our diagram: east, west, north, south. Clear to everyone? What is even east and turn clockwise to face north? East is there. Up you have to move clockwise. So east to south 190 degree, south to west another 90 degree, फिर west to north another 90 degree. Clear, student? So here you can see when you are moving east to west, east to north. Okay, so total how many right angles, student? 1 2 3. 3 right angle, यानी 3 right angle. Clear to everyone? Now you know that the value of 3 right angle is what? 3 multiplied by 90, because 1 right angle equal to 90 degree. You know that it will become what? 270 degree. Is that clear? Now we have to find out what? We have to find out fraction. So fraction, how you find out, student? I explained fraction you have to find out in total revolution. Now you know that the total revolution is 360. So in denominator we will write down 360, or here what is given? 270. Write down 270. 0 0 cancel. Okay, you can reduce 9 3 are 27, 9 3 are 36. Clear, everyone? This is our process of the question. When you will practice, you will solve all the question based on this. Clear? Again, another example I am going to take, students. See it carefully. Or in linear, you have to watch the video very carefully. Don't try to talk anywhere. देखो, if you will focus, you will be able to solve all the question. ठीक है ना? If you will focus on the others' comment or other talking, then you will not able to solve all the question. Clear? You have to clear your concept, because you have to put yourself in your examination. Clear? Sure. Now next example I am going to take 4 second question. देखो what is given second question student. This is given south and turn clockwise to face east. South and turn clockwise to face east. Clear everyone? देखो see it carefully. One word. देखो first always you have to draw this diagram. देखो this diagram when you will draw, you will not face any country. East face, north, south. Okay? देखो south and turn clockwise to face east. यानी you have to go south to east. Or it is given what? It is given clockwise. देखो south to east you have to go ना. तो first you will go south to west. Again you will go west to north. फिर again you will go north to east. Is that clear? We have to go south to east. देखो south to east. How many right angle you will travel? 1, 2, 3. You can count. यानी south to east equal to 3 right angle. Clear everyone? देखो 3 right angle. अब you know the value of 3 right angle equal to 3 multiplied by 90 degree. Because 1 right angle is equal to 270 degree. अरे sorry 90 degree. अब you have to find out what? You have to find out fraction या part of revolution. Same thing. Fraction or part of revolution same thing. तो देखो you will write down 360 अरे sorry 270 upon 360. तो same answer I think can come 0 0 cancel 9 3 are 27 9 4 are 36. Clear everyone? So this is our part. Clear? So now I think you are able to solve all the question based on this. That is exercise 5.2 question number 4. First you have to check if this is given anti-clockwise or clockwise. Then you will be solve all the question. ठीक? तो चलो. Now come on question number 5. तो next question you will yourself one question only left. I explain the concept and you will solve yourself. चलो question number 5. तो question number 5 is given. Find the number of right angle turn through by hand of a clock when it goes from. You have to find out what? You have to find out number of right angle. Clear everyone? You have to find out number of right angle. The first question I will do. देखो 3 2 6. This is very easy question. Only you have to focus. देखो 3 to 6 student. How many steps? 3 4 5 6. Like previous question yesterday we discussed. देखो 3 to 4 4 to 5 5 to 6. Total number of steps student? Number of steps equal to what? 3. Okay. Now you know that at every step there is angle of, yesterday I explained there is angle of 30 degree. You know that. So number of right angle is equal to what? 3 multiplied by 30, because one step equal to 30, so 3 step equal to 3 multiplied by 30, because at every step there is angle of 30 degree. Clear? At 3 steps there is angle of 3 multiplied by 30. It will come what? 90 degree equal to how many right angle? 90 degree means 1 right angle. Clear everyone? देखो very easy बेटा. First you have to count the steps. There is no need of writing this. You can count on your finger. देखो 3 after 3 4 5 6. How many steps? 3 steps. You know that one step will be equal to 30 degree. So 3 steps will be equal to 30 multiplied by 3. It will come 90. On 90 we should know that one right angle. Clear everyone? Sure. Now come to the next question. Again I am going to solve another. It is given 5 to 11. Chalo, one question 5 to 11. You know that 5 to 11 should how many steps? 5 to 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many steps? You can count 6 steps. Clear? Now in 6 steps, how many right angles? 6 steps is angle you have to find out. You will multiply by 30 degree because one step consists 30 degree. So 6 steps is 6 into 30. Yani it will become 180 degree. Now easily you can see how many right angles? You will write down 2 right angle. How? Because you know that 180 equal to 90 plus 90 can write down. So 90 plus 90 how many right angle student? 2 right angle. देखो 5 to 11 6 step, so 6 multiplied by 30 it comes 180 degree. So 180 degree means 2 right angle. Clear everyone? Okay. चलो. Now come to the next question students. Next question. Question number 6. How many right angle do you make if you start facing? The same question. Same question. Only language is changed. Question number 6 it is given. You have to find out number of right angle. देखो south and turn clockwise to west. South and turn clockwise to west. Clear everyone? देखो this is S means south. Here I am going to write south. S means south. South. देखो बेटा south and we turn clockwise to west. ठीक है ना? तो here we will draw diagram east, west, north, south. Clear? अब what is given south and turn clockwise to west. यानी south and you have to go west. देखो south and west. Clear? Now it is given. देखो south to west. You can say how many right angle? You can say only one right angle. देखो only one right angle south to west. Only one right angle. So here this is only one right angle. So you will say south to west equal to one right angle. Because in diagram you can see very easily. Due to this I am saying always draw the diagram. Clear? Chalo. Come to the next question. Next question is given. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. North and turn north and turn anti-clockwise to east. देखो this is the question of anti-clockwise student ना तो see carefully. East, west, north, south. Clear ना? अब देखो you have to find out the number of right angle when you move north and turn anti-clockwise to east. देखो north is given ना? North is given this one. अब clockwise मतलब like this. Anti-clockwise मतलब like this. Yesterday I also explained. तो north and turn anti-clockwise to east. अब देखो you have to go anti-clockwise. You will not go like this. मतलब from right hand side. You will go from left hand side. यानी you will go from this side. देखो north to east. Is that clear? अब north to east anti-clockwise. Anti means anti-clockwise. तो देखो north to east anti-clockwise how many right angle बेटा? देखो one right angle, two right angle, three right angle. Very simple. You will write a north to east anti-clockwise three right angle. Clear everyone? तो north to east how many student right angle? 3 right angle. Clear? So next question you will solve yourself. अच्छा in question if it is given clockwise or anti-clockwise, so you have to do question very carefully. Clear everyone? चलो. So now come to the next question. Next question is question number 7. All question are based on same pattern. You will understand the concept. You will solve all the questions. So question number 7 it is given. Where will be the hour end of a clock stop if it is start? अच्छा देखो. You have to find out time. What is given? From 6 and turn through one right angle. From 6 and turn through one right angle. Okay? चलो देखो. See again you will draw diagram east, west, north, south. Clear everyone? देखो from 6 and turn through one right angle. So first from 6 turn through one right angle. तो one right angle you know that what? देखो here how you will solve? तो you don't need of this diagram. No need of this diagram. ठीक है ना? From 6 and turn through one right angle. अब you know that if one right angle one right angle equal to what student? 90 degree. अब if I want to know how many number of steps in 90 degree, can you tell? You can tell easily the number of steps. You know that you can find out easily. How? In one step there is an angle of 30 degree. Okay? So you have to find out number of steps and 90 degree is given. Yani angle is given. So you will divide 90 degree by what? By 30 degree. Why? Because one step consists 30 degree and total 90 degree is given. And you have to find out number of steps. So number of steps equal to total angle and divided by 30 degree. Because I explained at every step there is angle of 30 degree in minute hand and hour hand. So it will come 3 steps. Clear? Yani 6 plus 3 steps. 6 plus 3 steps. So after 6 you will count 3 steps. 7, 8, 9. Then the answer will be 9 o'clock. देखो, this is very easy ना? You have to find out number of steps. Then you will solve the question very easily. Clear everyone? चलो. So I think now you are able to solve all the question based on this. Again, other example I am going to take, and rest of question you do yourself, students. देखो, what is given? Question number C I am going to take. From 10 and turn through 3 rectangles. From 10, turn through 3 right angle. Clear everyone? You see 3 right angle is given. So you know that 3 right angle is equal to what? 3 right angle is 3 multiplied by 90 degree. Clear? So this will come what? 270 degree. So same concept will apply to what? The next step is number of steps. Clear everyone? The number of steps, how you will find out? You know that one step equal to 30 degree. I explained. At every step there is angle of 30 degree. You will divide it by 30 degree. Is that clear? अब it will reduce 9 steps. यानी number of steps equal to 9. यानी from 10 plus 9 steps. अब count it now from 10 9 steps. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. देखो 5 plus 4 9 है. यानी when you will move 10 plus 9 steps, it will come what? 7 o'clock. Clear everyone? So in this question, this is very important. You have to find out first. You have to find out number of angles. Then you will find out number of steps. ठीक है ना? देखो first I find out what 3 right angle was given in your question. So 3 right angle means 3 into 90 because one right angle equal to 90 degree, 270 degree. अब you have to find out number of steps. So I explained in minute and in hour. At every step there is angle of 30 degree. Yesterday I explained by making a clock. Okay. So number of steps equal to 270 upon 30. It will come 90 degree. Sorry, 9 steps. Up from 10 plus 9 steps. So 10 or 9 steps you will count. It will come what? 7 o'clock. You can count. So student, now you will solve all the question based on this, or explain everything in chapter 5. Nothing is left. Clear student? Acha, some exercise left. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss the next exercise. Clear student?